Hop on over and say G-Day to the kangaroo, a distinctive, bouncing marsupial native to Australia. Kangaroos are known for their powerful hind legs and long, muscular tails. But did you know that they can't walk like us humans? Instead, they jump. The secret behind their unique locomotion lies in their strong, springy tendons. When they leap, energy is stored in these tendons and released as they land, making each hop incredibly efficient. But why don't kangaroos walk more often? It's all about conserving energy. A kangaroo's long legs make walking inefficient, so they save energy by jumping instead. Kangaroos also have a unique reproductive system. Female kangaroos, known as joeys, carry their young in a pouch called a marsupium. The tiny, underdeveloped joey crawls into the pouch shortly after birth and continues to develop there for several months. Interestingly, a mother kangaroo can have several joeys at different stages of development in her pouch. This is known as embryonic diapause, a state where the development of the embryo is suspended until conditions are favorable for its growth. Kangaroos play a crucial role in Australia's ecosystem. They graze on a variety of grasses and plants, contributing to the health of the land. Their large territories help maintain the diversity of vegetation in the Australian outback. However, kangaroos face threats from habitat loss, climate change, and overhunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these iconic animals and preserve their important role in Australia's ecosystem. So next time you're exploring the Australian outback, keep an eye out for these bouncy marsupials. With their distinctive hop, they're hard to miss.